Wanna know how to open terminal in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily open or close terminal in just a few clicks in NetBeans. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So we have also created a video on how to download NetBeans, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you have done that, here you should be provided with this menu right here once you've opened, and on top you should be seeing tools. So you can just simply select tools right here. Now once you're under tools, here you should just simply navigate towards open in terminal. So simply select open in terminal, so it should take a time to load. So once the terminal has been opened, you can see terminal or localhost right here. So you can simply right click on it to close it, float it, and much more. So that's it. That's how you simply use and open up a terminal. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.